they are remembered in the history even after their death. They left the world for so many years ago, but still we have so much respect and everyone feels great respect and regard for them because those people shared. Those people, today also we are discussing the person like Mother Teresa, we are discussing about Mahatma Gandhi, we are discussing about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, we are discussing about Martin Luther King. So we are all these personality, George Bernard Shaw, so many people to name one after the other, Socrates, so many years they passed away, but still we are remembering because they were sharing. So this sharing will fulfill our heart, will give us the real joy, and our happiness will multiply when we share. If we don't share, we'll become miser. Our resources will get polluted. So this sharing creates abundance.